Number one, buwan naman ang tanong, contemporary world. It is the organization founded after World War I that aims to maintaining world peace and promoting international cooperation. So letter A, the United Nations. Letter B, the League of Nations. Letter C, the NAFTA. Or letter D, yung APEC. Mhm. A correct answer for number one, yung naitatagpo ng organisasyon pagkatapos ng unang digmaang pandaigdig ay of course, yung League of Nations po. But then again, hindi po naging successful yung League of Nations. Kaya po nangyari yung pangalawang or ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig o yung World War II. Yung choice A po natin, no? Ito po yung naitatag naman po after World War II. Yung NAFTA po, yan po yung North American Free Trade Agreement, no? Diyan po yan, yung members po yan, yung members po niyan, yung Amerika, yung Canada, no? By the way po, balikan po natin yung UN, no? Some considered UN as the most successful international organization. Bakit po? Kasi po, after po ng kaniyang pag-establish after World War II up until now, no, and hopefully po, no, sana wala po mangyaring World War III, no? Kaya po kino-consider na yung UN po yung so far most successful international organization. At yung APEC naman po, no, that's Asia Pacific Economic Cooperative, no? It's more on the economic aspect of the countries in Asia and in the Pacific. Ganyan lang po yan kadali.